Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. Today, I'll show you how to fix the Black Ops 6 failed to join party error on Steam. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Change your DNS settings. Open Network Connections, go to your search bar, type Network Connections, and open it. Right-click on your connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, then go to Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. Click OK, close everything, and try to rejoin your friend's party. Step 2. Clear DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears any outdated DNS cache that could be causing the issue. Restart your computer, which will also restart Steam, and try to join your friend's party again. That's it. These steps should have you back online with your friends in no time. If this video helped, please smash that thumbs up, subscribe to Error Genie, and hit that notification bell for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!